Welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Oya, and today we're diving into an important and often asked question. Can you get a divorce in Texas without mutual agreement? Divorce is rarely an easy process, and when both spouses don't agree to end the marriage, things can become even more complicated. Let's break down how Texas law handles divorces, where mutual agreement is not present. And what are your options in this situation? In Texas, you do not need mutual agreement to file for divorce. Texas is a no-fault divorce state, which means you can file for divorce without having to prove your spouse did something wrong, such as adultery or cruelty. Citing insupportability as the reason, a term that simply means the marriage is no longer viable due to conflict or discord, is enough to proceed. This is particularly useful in cases where one spouse does not want to cooperate or refuses to acknowledge the breakdown of the marriage. However, just because you can file without mutual agreement doesn't mean it's always straightforward. When one spouse contests the divorce, the process can take longer and may involve court hearings to resolve issues like property division, child custody, or spousal support. For instance, if your spouse believes the marriage can be salvaged, they might argue against the divorce. In these cases, it's essential to work with an experienced family law attorney who can guide you through the process and ensure your interests are represented. One key step in moving forward with a contested divorce is properly serving your spouse with divorce papers. Under Texas law, your spouse must be officially notified of your intent to divorce. This is usually done by a process server or constable. If your spouse tries to avoid being served, there are alternative methods such as service by publication that can allow the case to proceed even without their cooperation. It's also important to understand that while you don't need mutual agreement to start the divorce, your spouse can still participate in the legal process by contesting issues such as child custody, asset division, or even alimony. These contested issues can lead to a longer timeline and may require mediation or even a trial to reach a resolution. The court's primary focus will always be fairness and ensuring the best interests of any children involved. If you find yourself in a situation where your spouse doesn't agree to divorce, don't lose hope. While it may take additional effort, Texas law is designed to ensure that one spouse cannot hold the other hostage in a broken marriage. With the right legal team by your side, you can navigate this process and work toward a resolution that allows you to move forward with your life. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more insights into Texas family law. At the Law Office of Brian Fagan, we're here to help you every step of the way through the divorce process. If you have specific questions about your case, don't hesitate to reach out to us for a consultation. See you next time.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.